Hi, this is Francisco from Aries Embroidery Machines. So today we want to introduce our newest model, the BF1501. This is a fully featured, fully spec'd 15 needle embroidery machine, which is great for shirts, which is great for hoodies, for jackets, and for caps. The machine features a really wide 14 by 8 embroidery field, and on caps, it does 2.6 inches height, and it does 270-degree rotation, and it is a fully 3D puff capable machine up to 3 millimeters. It runs up to 1,000 stitches per minute when doing flats and up to 750 when stitching on caps. The machine is equipped with an 8-inch color touch panel, which is really intuitive, really easy to use for you to easily take your DST files and load them up straight on the machine via a USB stick. The machine also comes with a laser tracing system for really easy to use tracing across the assortment of food that the machine ships along with. It has a 5-year warranty on motors, 2-year warranty on electronic boards, 2-year warranty on the mechanical components. If you're interested in more information, please visit us on ariesmachines.com. Call us at 800-675-2704. You can also visit us at our Cypress location or our Farmers Branch location if you want a free demo. We look forward to hearing from you soon.